Hi, I'm Erin Sykes, Chief Economist with Nest Seekers International. In a world full of choices and trade-offs, ultra-high net worth individuals often weigh the option of where to summer, live, and invest. The Hamptons or the Mediterranean, New York or London, Miami or Palm Beach. Here we will examine the real estate market and personality of each. The old adage suggests that the rich summer in the Hamptons, but the wealthy go to Europe. Will this year be any different? After a year and a half of quarantining on the East End, we suspect that some may be feeling the itch to travel again and even invest in a vacation home abroad. In the Hamptons in April, there were 136 new listings between Southampton and Montauk, another 149 signed contracts, and 176 sold listings. In May, we saw a surge in new listings as the summer high season approached. The number of contracts signed increased 29% week over week and has been on an upward trend since the beginning of April. More new listings coming to market has caused days to contract to drop, while prices continue to rise with an average of just 3.8% discount to list price. In reviewing the previous year's trends, it seems that the market may have peaked between November and December 2020, though it will show continued strength for the foreseeable future as habits and preferences have shifted. That said, as the Hamptons market has tightened for more than 6 months in a row, high net worth buyers are increasingly looking at options in other parts of the country and abroad, like Portugal, the Amalfi Coast, and the Côte d'Azur. In Portugal, international buyers represent nearly 10% of the total transactions in the country, with the French leading in volume, followed by the British, Brazilian, German, and US investors. Property prices in 2020 rose 8.4% in spite of the pandemic, and the total transaction volume was 26.2 billion euros, a 2.4% increase over 2019. International demand for Portugal keeps increasing through the support of the non-habitual resident tax program, which sets a set of tax exemptions and a flat rate taxation for a period of 10 years, and the Golden Visa program, which allows real estate buyers to obtain Portuguese citizenship and freedom of movement through the entirety of Europe. By becoming a Portuguese non-habitual resident, high net worth individuals are able to accrue wealth in a tax-friendly environment and pass on their estate without inheritance or gift taxes. General recovery of the Amalfi Coast is lagging that of the Hamptons by about a year, though prices of properties for sale increased by 1.3% in the third trimester of 2020 compared to the second trimester of 2020, and by 5.2% compared to the same trimester of 2019. The appeal of the south of France has intensified as the region proved to be a safe haven for both owners and investors. Traditionally an international market, 2020 saw exceptionally high demand by domestic French buyers, with a particular concentration of Parisian clients, followed by cross-border buyers from Italy, Belgium, Switzerland, and Germany. Monaco recently hit a milestone of having 1 millionaire for every 3 residents. With zero income tax, balmy weather, and a gorgeous cliffside setting, it's easy to see the attraction. Overall, the trajectory of the pandemic recovery is steeper in the Hamptons than in Europe, which is lagging behind in reopening. This gives vacation home buyers more of an opportunity in the Mediterranean to lock in favorable prices. Expectations build to be the busiest season ever and a continued seller's market. The global growth of ultra-high net worth individuals rose by 9.5% to 290,720 people last year, while their combined wealth grew 9.7% to 35.4 trillion. The strongest returns were recorded in North America, the largest wealth hub, which enjoyed double-digit growth of their ultra-high net worth populations and collective net worth. Throughout the US and London, the ultra-high-end $10 million plus property market has shown continued strength. The super wealthy are able to secure expedited low-interest loans in the 3% range, making it an opportune time to purchase a trophy home. In New York, downtown ultra-luxury properties saw a 33.33% increase in the number of contracts signed in Q4 2020 over the previous year. Recent downtown market reports covering Tribeca, Soho, and the financial district indicate that the average sales price for a 3-bedroom unit was $7,235,929, almost double that of 2019. 3-bedroom condo prices are up 17% year over year, whereas prices for co-ops of the same size are up 19% year over year. The rest of Manhattan is lagging behind as prices continue to be depressed, up to 52.4% from the previous year, thus indicating enhanced opportunity for investors in the Midtown and Uptown districts in particular. London's market rebounded quickly in early fall after the easing of the lockdown, buoyed by pent-up demand, with price momentum up 6.6% over 2019, despite a fall of 0.6% in December. Overall, London is seeing new price records and market activity records that defy many predictions. Florida continues to receive attention as a preferred relocation hub of 2021. Palm Beach has been described as the hottest market in the world, with average home prices soaring above $7 million. Reports indicate that single-family home sales in the area were up 33% in 2020, and luxury prices have increased by at least another third since the beginning of 2021, as many continue to leave urban density, high taxes, and colder weather in trade for the Sunshine State. Inventory remains tight, as indicated by the record low of 30 available homes on the island last month. In Miami, single-family luxury home sales increased 120% in Q4 2020 and 80% in luxury condo sales. By nature of being more metropolitan and built vertically, Miami has more inventory than Palm Beach and significant new construction opportunity in Sunny Isles and Brickell. It is more of a year-round market than Palm Beach, as tourism from Mexico and South America picks up in the summer, especially this year since borders have been closed from primary investor countries like Brazil. The migration south has also hit Wall Street, with Goldman Sachs moving to West Palm Beach and Citadel and Elliott Management already having set up shop in Florida. For more information on any of these markets, contact Nest Seekers International.